How would you like incredible results like these without ever going to the gym?
I lost 50 pounds and I never set foot in a gym because you don't need to go to a gym.
I got this by working out at home.
I've lost 49 pounds. I don't need to go to the gym. I feel incredible.
Now you can get your own incredible results right at home too with Beachbody On Demand, a breakthrough new service that lets you stream hundreds of the world's best-selling in-home fitness programs like P90X, Insanity, Brazil Butt Lift, Hip Hop Abs, and more. Plus, there are new workout programs added every month, and it's all streaming right to your computer, smartphone, or tablet. And the first 1 million people to sign up get to try it for free for 30 days.
It's streaming workouts.
I can literally take my workouts and my program wherever I go.
And you can have thousands of programs from some of the top trainers in the world at your fingertips.
Helping you, showing you form, motivating you through it.
You can weight train one day, you can do yoga the next.
You can find lifting workouts, you can find cardio workouts.
This is all at-home workouts. You don't need a fancy membership to a gym.
That's because with Beachbody On Demand, you not only get over $4,000 of free workout videos, you also get proven customizable meal plans, free workout calendars, peer support groups, and tools to track your progress. And it's all free for you to try for 30 days. Then it's just $2.99 a week for as long as you want to stay healthy and fit.
You get to try it for free for 30 days.
You can stream tons of workouts.
You get 30 days of Beachbody On Demand for free. Why would you not try it? I don't understand.